So here's the story on this one. So I ordered this one and from Dispaint, and I was going to use this canvas for my project for the Spring Flings, for that Diamond Painting Fanatics is doing. It didn't come on time. And that's, you know, it is what it is. It sat in customs. Just, I kept checking the post office website, and it just said, you know, waiting to process. Has arrived in Canada, waiting, whatever. Anyway, it sat and it sat and sat, and then all of a sudden one day it was at my doorstep. So it really was only like a day or two late. I could have probably used it for Spring Flings, but I think I'm going to use this one for, there's another event and I have to check it out, and I think it's called Happy Drill, and it's just supposed to be a canvas that makes you happy, and I think this one will definitely fit the bill for that one, so I will still do it. It is, should be, it is what I think it is. It's a 40 by 50 square from Dispaint. So let's get into this. It is an absolutely beautiful day here. It's Holy Saturday, and it is like 15 degrees outside. So my son is out riding his bike. Neighbors are out cleaning their yards, and I'm painting the living room today. It's my project. So anyway, oh, that end is taped shut. I hope that's not a bad omen here. Bad omens are not. This morning I woke up and my son says to me, "Mom, I think there's a bird in the house." I'm like, "A bird?" Yeah, he's like, "I can hear something flapping its wings." And I'm thinking, I hope this is a bird and not a bat. So I told him, get the cats in my room and I'm gonna go out there and look. So I'm looking around and looking around. Sure enough, there is a little sparrow that has spent the night inside my house. So he knocked a bunch of stuff off the walls and was sitting on a pile of recycling in the front porch. So he scared me. So I just went outside and I opened the door and he flew out. So maybe that's a good omen for spring to come. So let's see what we've got here, guys. We've got our canvas. Typical Dispaint, you know, it's Dispaint, but it does come from Home Fun, so it must be the same company, same toolkit. And our drills. This one's gonna be mostly like teals and greens and stuff, so I'm hoping that this, oh, I am short some 746s in my other project, and I was hoping there would be some in here, but there's not. Oh well. There's our drills. Let's take a look at our canvas here. Of course, it's wrapped with these stupid elastics that I absolutely hate. I don't understand why they can't just put a little piece of tape on it or something. I just don't like these elastics. They're, ooh, frayed canvas there. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, let's take a look. So this one here was, yeah, like I said, it was supposed to be for my Spring Flings. And it didn't get here on time. Maybe if I have time, I don't think I'm going to though, because I'm doing Bella Art and Nicole's butterfly event, which actually starts in like 2.5 weeks, you guys. So I'm probably, like, I was thinking if I had more time, maybe I could do 2 Spring Flings, but I'm gonna have to start on my butterfly project soon, so I'll have to save this one. I'll do it this summer for the Happy Drill event. Sometimes I find if I can just pull these back just a little bit, kind of take some of the tension off of it. It's funny because on my Facebook page, more and more of my friends are finding diamond paintings and, you know, posting these little projects and stuff, and then I'm posting my big ones, and yeah. But it's nice to see more people getting into it. It's very, very relaxing hobby, and, you know, something, I don't know. I said, you know, I'm not the type to hang my diamond paintings on the wall. Like, to me, if they were like puzzles and I could just do one and go, oh, that was nice, and take it apart and put it back in the box, I would totally do that. Is there anybody else out there that's like that? That it's, to me, it's not about the finished product. It's about actually doing it and enjoying the process of doing it. They're beautiful, and I have hung some on my walls, but for the most part, they're just sitting in a like scrapbook, and I love showing them off. But to me, it's more about the process than the final product with these. So, like I said, I wish they were like a puzzle and I could just say cute and put it back in the box and do it again in a couple months. But that would be an absolute nightmare to try to like put the drills back in the box. So anyway, just kind of one of those things where my mind goes when I'm doing my diamond painting. And anyway, so I'm really hoping this summer we're getting our back deck screened in. So I'm hoping to be able to sit out in my sunroom and do some diamond painting out there. Hopefully I can get some whipping chats out on the deck with, you know, the birds in the background and stuff. That's one of the things I'm hoping for. So here we go, we got that. This is an up and down one. Ah, no, 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 no. Okay, there we go. There we go. So what this is it's fireflies, and they are in a mason jars, and it says, be a light to the world. And I love this because that's kind of one of my mottos in life, is that my attitude and the way I portray myself is a beacon for the rest of the people in my life. I try to do everything, or I always tell my friends, love the crap out of everything, because like even the bad things in your life, just love the crap out of them and say, hey, you know, this sucks, but it's a lesson, and what can I learn from it? Love the crap out of what you take from your bad and your good, and move on. And that's kind of one of my mottos. So I think that this picture is just perfect for me. So it's got all the little fireflies and the little mason jars with the candles in them, and it says, be a light to this world. So, and I guess it's kind of, you know, if you don't have light, make your own, right? So canvas is a little dark. Let's take a peek. Ah! It wants to kiss my countertop today, I think. I just did it again. Oh goodness. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Come on. There you go. Live action shot. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. All right. I'm gonna close this side down here. We'll take a look at this side. I'm really not having a very good time opening this picture today. Let's take a look here. Oh, kitty, don't put your fingers in it. Very nice, and it is dark, but I think with the light pad, the symbols are still pretty clear. I really like their symbols, guys. I've said that so many times. I am a little worried because this one is dark. I find that with Home Fun and Dispaint, the darker the pictures are, the more popping drills I'm getting. But you know what? It is what it is. We'll give it a shot and learn from it, right? So, let's take a peek at the inventory sheet here, and I'll show you the picture. Cat helper. Okay, let's take a peek here. Let's show you. So this one has 40 colors. Again, lots of greens and blues. Daisy. Daisy. There's our picture, guys. So there's our picture. My son just got home from his walk. Hi, Marcus.
Hi.
Hi. And just really quickly here, we'll take a peek at some of the drills. And those are, yeah, I ordered squares. Anyway, guys, so there is my next project. Have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.